Got it. Thank you. The 10th of September, Rabbi Levitt, Nehemia.
Okay, so what was that? 219?
So what, if you're wondering, Lou, what we're doing, we're comparing the two lists of the listing of the different families and the numbers because we see on verse 22 the Bnei Hashum by Nehemia. The Bnei Hashum are listed before the Bnei Bezai. Is that Bezai?
Right, I see that.
So then we so the implication is that they said it before. In Ezra, however, the order is reversed. Oh, and we said a svara. Why is that so? Because we said that they wanted to list Hashum first over here because they had a they had a population increase of over 100.
Right,
They went to they became more than children of Bezai.
right.
Oh yeah, it is over 100. Wow. Huh. Interesting.
So the number of members of the families is very significant in terms of the chashivas of the family.
Uh, that's what we're positing as the possible reason.
Right. Let's see
Although we see
a little bit about
that there's certain family we see already that the families are not listed in order of how the population size.
right. You wouldn't think that the population would be so important if there are members of the family that are that are very uh, significant members of the society in terms of their contributions and their scholarship and so on. You'd think that that'd be more important.
Well, just the fact though that yeah, there might be more outstanding people in a smaller family, so
Right.
that would be a reason to list that family first. But I mean, assuming that the people that came, I mean, we're talking about people that probably wasn't so easy for any one of them to leave Bavel and come up to Eretz Yisrael. So it's significant that there was a the family that has the larger population. They have that that means that there was a larger percentage of that family, perhaps we could say, that that made that moved that came up to Eretz Yisrael.
Right.
So that itself is a chashivas.
Right.
Hmm.
Okay, so that's where we are. Uh, so we're up to pasuk
24.
24. Okay,
Maybe someone else wants to read.
okay. Roy, would you like to read?
Um, okay.
Get my earphones.
um, 24. B'nai Harif, Maor, Shanaim, Asar. The children of Harif were 112.
Yeah, you could keep reading because there's not any commentary over here.
Actually,
Well,
there is on
there is
B'nai
a comment.
Oh, there
B'nai.
is?
B'nai. There is. There is. On B'nai
Is?
Harif, there is. Yes.
Okay.
Mhm.
So,
got,
yeah, you don't have?
I
Okay.
haven't.
So let's read what we have over here. The Bnei Harif. As you know, Harif is in modern Hebrew. It's the very hot, spicy food, and also the Harif is even in the Gemara. It says the child which is more sharper. So
Oh,
it's this is what the word means. Bnei
Sharp
Harif.
as in wise or sharp as in critical?
Sharp is in right in intellectual capability. So that's what they're called, Bnei Harif. So this family, how many of them was there?
125.
Oh, not
112.
too many. Okay, 112. Wow.
112.
So that's practically the smallest amount that we've seen so far. Okay. So the note says this family is not mentioned at all in the Ezra. And the Bnei Yorah, which are counted in Ezra's list in verse 18, they do not appear in Nehemia. So what's the story?
We've got 21, only 98 people. Hezekiah. It's even less. The children of Ater.
Ater of Hizkiah, yeah.
Yeah, no, 98.
Right. Okay.
Anyway, so continuing on now, 25.
Okay, so right now, not yet. Just a second.
Okay. Okay.
We're posing a question over here. We're noting that the Bnei Harif are mentioned over here by Nehemiah, but they're not mentioned at all in Ezra. And on the other hand, the Bnei Yorah, they are mentioned in Ezra. They're counted over there in Ezra, but we don't see them over here in Nehemiah. So is there something to say about that? Ibn Ezra suggests that Harif and Yorah may have been different names for the same person. Okay.
wow.
If I would have said that, you would have thrown me out. But okay, that's what the Ibn Ezra says. So we're not going to throw the Ibn Ezra out.
Maybe it was an invalid census.
Okay, maybe. Okay, so that's the comment for that. And now we go to Chafhei. Lou, would you like to or Roy, you want to continue?
No, it's all right. Luke can go. 25.
You want me to read?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Bnei Givon Tish'im B'chamisha. The children of Givon were 95. V'anshe Ves Lechem Unetofa Mea Shmonim Ushmona. And the people of Bethlehem and Netophah, 188. Anshe Anasos Mea Esrim Ushmona. People of Anathoth, 128. Okay, we have a comment now. people of Anathoth, these were the descendants of the men of Anathoth who were cursed by Yirmiyahu
Oh,
and later repented, according to Yalkut, commenting on Ezra.
yeah, Yirmiyahu went back to Anatot. I think that's where Yirmiyahu was from.
Mm-hmm.
Anatot, yeah. That's in yeah, Yirmiyahu. Yeah. Okay. Say there. Okay. Good. So in other words, here we're talking not about the descendants of one family, we're talking about descendants of a city. I believe. These were the descendants of the men of Anatot. I don't think it was just one family. Anatot is the name of a city.
Uh-huh. Wow.
Although Givon is also a name of a city. That's where the Mishkan was for a number of years. So I'm not sure if uh, I would assume when it says Lebnei Givon, it means the descendants, the children of Givon, the person. Not so clear. Here it says Anshe Anatot. Doesn't say Bnei Anatot.
Ah,
No discussion over here on the matter, though. Okay, so that's 27, 28. Want to continue, Lou?
Okay. Let's see, 28. Let's see. 28. Anshe base lechem. Oh, wait a second. Is that the right verse?
Oh yeah.
it's the very last word of a line. Anshe beit azamot. No, azmavet.
Anshe base az maves ar baim ushnayim.
Oh, that's the record low.
Of base
Oh, only 42. Wow.
of maves 42. So that's
Wow.
really small.
Yeah.
And this is Anshe, so that implies maybe it's a city, which is even more surprising. Let's see what the commentary says. The people of Base Amaveth, see Ezra 2:24 refers to them as the people of Asmaveth.
Wow.
That doesn't really help.
You know what it means? Asmavis.
No.
There's a pasuk in Shlomo Melech. Shlomo Melech says, "Aza kamavis ava." Aza kamavis ava. The love is as strong as death.
Wow.
Oh.
So here we have the word "az," strength, and movis, death. Quite a name for a place.
Yeah. No wonder there's only 42 people there.
If you mispronounce it, it could be azmavet, and that's the goat that went to they threw off the cliff, wasn't it?
Oh,
If you mispronounce it.
yeah. The Sor Lazazel.
Right.
He's the one. He's sent off. Sor Mishtaleach. He's sent away.
Mm-hmm.
Sent away off the cliff. Okay.
Anshe Kriyas Yarim Kifira Uva Eros Sheva Meos Arbaim Ushlosha. The people of Kiriath Yearim, Shephirah, and Beeroth, 743. Comment says the people of Kiriath Jearim, Shephirah, and Beeroth. See Ezra 2:25. It identifies these people as the children of Kiriath Arim, Shephirim, and Beeroth.
Oh, in other words, that's the difference. When they translate people, when they say people in Hebrew, that corresponds to this word anshe. Anshe Kiryat Yarim, the people of Kiryat Yarim. So the note is pointing out that in Ezra, they identified this group as the Bnei Kiryat Yarim.
Oh,
the children. So once again, we're pointing out a difference, and once again, we're left with a question: what exactly is the difference between saying Anshe and saying Bnei, and why does it change from Ezra to Nehemia? So anybody who wants to think about that and come up with a creative answer is welcome to do so.
Mhm.
That's actually the official name of Telstone, Kiryat Yarim.
Oh, really?
If you look at the signs on the way to Telstone, that's what it calls it, Kiryat Yarim.
Hmm.
Okay.
Anshe Harama Vagava Shesh Meos Esrim Ve'echad. The people of Ramah and Geba, 621. People of Ramah and Geba, Ezra 22:26 refers to them as Bnei Aramah, the children of Ramah.
Oh, this is in Binyamin, because this is the famous, infamous incident of Pelegish Begiva, the city of Giva, in which is in Chelik of Binyamin.
Right.
And Ramah, I'm just thinking the pasuk that they made a song out of with Rochel, Kol Baramah Nishma, Rachel Mevakel Boneha. It's actually a pasuk. That's what they used to do. They used to make songs out of psukim.
Mm.
So I think that's this is in these are places in Binyamin, which Rachel was. Rachel gave birth to Binyamin. Okay, fine. Okay.
Anshe Michmas Mea Ve'esrim Ushnaim, the people of Michmas, 122. Anshe Beis Kale V'ha'ai Mea Esrim Ushlosha, people of Bethel and Ai, 123. Anshe Nevo Acher Chamishim Ushnaim, the people of Nebo Aher, 52. Bnei Elam Acher Elef Ma'sayim Chamishim v'arba'ah. The people of a different Elam, 1,254. The commentary says a different Elam. The people of Elam, numbering 2,254, were already counted in verse 12. This is not a repetition, but the listing of a different Elam, according to Mitsudos.
Why? Why can't they figure out a original name to name their town?
What's that, verse 12?
Not only that happens in America.
1,200.
Yeah, in America you have lots of different cities with the same name.
Or the name originated in Europe and they transferred over here.
You know, ironically, though, it has the same number, 1,254 in both places. Verse 12, too.
Right, interesting.
So you're wondering why it would be a different one. That's what he says.
Right.
But the first Elam was in verse 12.
Yes.
Verse
And it says the children of Elam, 1,254.
Wow.
I don't think there was a comment on that, was there? No. 12.
So the art scroll made a mistake. Look what they said over here. The people of Elam, numbering 2,254, were already counted. So you're pointing out that no, it's not 2,254, it's 1,254.
Oh, that's the difference. Uh-huh. So it's not the same number. Okay.
No, what I'm pointing out is you are correct. I see in Pasuk Yud Beis, the first Elam is 1,200.
Oh, it is 1,250.
Elef Matayim v'Chamishim v'Arba. Yeah, and they correctly said over there 1,254.
Right.
But and also the same thing is true over here as well.
Huh.
But I'm just saying the notes on 34 made a mistake. It says the people of Elam numbering 2,254 were already counted.
Oh.
I've got here 1,000.
Yeah. So this note is they need a proofreader to check their mistakes.
Yes, really.
Okay.
Thank you, Rabbi.
All the best. Tameir, a great day. Bezrat
Thank you
Hashem,
so
B'suras
much.
Tovos. We'll be back.
Okay, thank you.